Hey, do you want an awesome QR code for your website? Then on QRTiger you can make an awesome QR code and track your data. Let's have a look how it works.
How can you boost your sales in your e-commerce business? Not just sales, but repeated sales. How do you keep buyers from buying more and more from your store? We got the answer you need: QR codes. In this video we are going to show you how QR codes can push your sales by 30%. Tip number 1. Add a call to action. In your packaging or labels, make sure to add a call to action on your QR code design. What is a call to action? A well-crafted call to action will urge people to act on something. Make sure your call to action will make your users act immediately. Tip number 2. Offer personalized promotions and discounts. Who doesn't like freebies? When potential customers visit your store, send them a QR code with a promo code which they can use the next time. Reward existing customers with discounts for their next purchase, making them want to purchase more from your store. Tip number 3. Promote other products right on your packaging. You cannot buy a moisturizer without buying a serum or a toner. You cannot buy a shaver without buying a shaving cream. Make sure your customers know what works best with the products they bought and tell them that through a video. A video QR code right on your packaging will educate your customers about how to maximize the effectiveness of your products. Tip number 4. Use dynamic QR codes. Using a dynamic QR code will allow you to edit your URL to any URL at any time, even if your QR codes are already printed. This helps you save a lot of time, money and effort. Tip number 5. Use QRTigers bulk QR code generator. This works best if you have a lot of products and you want to point to different information for each product. QRTiger has a technology for making your life easier. Creating QR codes in bulk is easy, and it starts with uploading a CSV file of your products. You can customize your QR codes and track data for each of your QR codes. Conclusion: the world of e-commerce is getting more and more competitive. If you want to rise above other stores, make sure to add dynamic QR codes on your product packaging or marketing materials to push your sales by up to 30% more. Encourage repeat purchases, educate your customers, and raise brand awareness. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel to get latest updates. Cheers!